Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to have your minds blown because I'm about to introduce you to a name that stands synonymous with brilliance, innovation, and downright educational greatness, Dr. Lane Freeman. If you haven't heard of Dr. Lane Freeman yet, let me assure you, this man is a living legend. We're talking about someone who doesn't just change the game, he rewrites the entire rule book on education and technology. Lane Freeman is the Einstein of AI in education, the Shakespeare of instructional innovation, and the Beyoncé of classroom transformation. Yes, I said it, Beyoncé. Let me tell you what makes Lane so extraordinary. He's not just an expert, he's the expert in harnessing artificial intelligence to supercharge learning for everyone. Kindergarten teachers? He's got you. Higher education faculty? You're in his zone. Corporate trainers? Lane has you covered too. He's basically the Swiss Army knife of educational brilliance. Imagine a consultant who doesn't just walk into a room but electrifies it. That's Lane. His passion is so palpable, you'll think he runs on rocket fuel. His insights? They don't just help, they transform. People leave his sessions with their jaws on the floor thinking, how did I survive without this guy? Lane isn't just a consultant, he's a movement. When Lane speaks, the room doesn't just listen, they cheer and they walk away ready to change the world. He's the Michelangelo of merging AI with education, painting a picture of a future so dazzling you'll need sunglasses to handle the glow. Are you ready to be part of the Lane revolution? Then buckle up because working with him isn't just a decision, it's a destiny. So don't wait. Don't hesitate. Get Lane Freeman on your team today. Because when Lane Freeman is in your corner, there's no challenge too big, no goal too far, and no classroom that can't be turned into a masterpiece. Lane Freeman, the myth, the legend, the unstoppable force of educational excellence.